Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Nick Garisto. Nick is running for deputy mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Nick.
Thank you, Brad, for giving me this opportunity to talk to the voters.
I wanted to ask you about taxes. As you know, taxes is a big issue in the town of Orangeville right now, and a lot of residents think that perhaps taxes are too high or they're rising too much.
Yes.
If elected again, how would you address this issue? If you were to increase revenue, where would you find the revenue? And if you were to decrease costs, where would you make cuts?
Okay, thanks for asking the question there, Brad. That is a really good question. I'll try my best to answer the best way I can.
Thank you.
Anyway, you're quite right. Taxes are too high and have risen both at the municipal and county level. I will continue to do what I have done in the last 4 years by proposing ideas to reduce the budget and only support the items that are absolutely necessary. I would like to have one police force, one fire department, and libraries investigated at the county level. That county level will benefit all surrounding municipalities. Investigating this move may prove to have a savings for the town of Orangeville and the surrounding municipalities. I would also like to see an increase in revenue by utilizing the town-owned facilities for more advertising. Thank you.
Well, thanks again, Nick, for coming in. And certainly, if you would like to see some more videos and what else Nick has to say, take a look at the links below. And thanks again for watching. Thank you, Nick.
Yeah, you're welcome, Brett. Thank you for the opportunity.